my people, it don't happen again. Oh, it don't boss. No be small matter. No be small thing, my people. As they talk, say this one don't come up for grant. Another one goes still load. No be small something. My eye don't see. No be small something. No. My people, matter don't come. Oh. He get one man of God. Now this man of God, as he dey come church, oh, now he be the pastor of the church. Now he come to say, he no want use leg, they come church. Suddenly now, members there inside church, oh, why the man of God never come? He dey on his way. He dey come on his way coming. Come they come, he dey road they come. So, man break the English, you know, now understand. Now this man of God can't use Ferrera. He can't use Lamborghini to enter church. No be small Lamborghini. As I dey talk to Nana. Now so. Now so. Make una no vex. Make una no vex. Make una no vex. Now so the members things they happen. No. Now so the members can't sit down. They can't wait for their daddy Gio. As they wait for their daddy Gio. Later on, suddenly, now so them their father, their papa can show. As the papa show, not be small Lamborghini. My people may not come to say, I too talk, I too laugh. Make una regard and that they here with you now. My people, sure now don't say the Lamborghini. When they enter church, he right enter straight to the altar. Not be small something. Even the members, all of them shock. Say, see as my daddy Gio boss enter church. Not be small thing. Now bike he enter straight to the altar. You know, even say me use leg climb altar. As he come down so, you know, near the altar, and I saw it a paro. Not be small thing. Hey, as I cross this one, my people, I was shocked to lie. You catch me, honestly. Not be small thing. Something they happen, no? God, when are you coming? God, when? I don't laugh. But the thing they funny. How you go use a Lamborghini to enter inside church? My people, make una not forget to share this video. Make una viral this video, please. Now yeah, now I want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye bye.